Email marketing can get returns of up to 44 Rand for every 1 Rand spent. But mastering email marketing or any bulk communication isn't something you just do. It takes time and continuous learning. That's why Everlytic created the Everlytic Growth Journey, a roadmap that gets you from generic bulk communication to personalized messaging and finally to communication automation mastery. This video explores level 2, Message Personaliser. This is where you're already sending bulk communication and are familiar with the foundations of good copy, design, and data management. It's the step beyond this where you start creating more engaging experiences with customers using message personalization. Message personalization relates to the tools and tactics you can use to make your messages more personal to the reader. When you use a communication platform like Everlytic, you can automatically add personalization to bulk messages using some clever features. Your ability to do this at scale depends on the data you collect on your subscribers. The more relevant information you have on them, the more customized you can make the experience. There are many good reasons to personalize your messages. For instance, clients often expect it. It boosts engagement. And it even increases sales. One of the common mistakes marketers make when personalizing their messages is that they become overwhelmed. Message personalization is a big subject after all. The best way to avoid this is to break your strategy into smaller, achievable chunks. For example, if you're just getting started with personalization, try personalizing your email properties, greeting recipients by name, and personalizing some of the content in your messages. If you're kind of mid-weight personalizer, you can segment your list to send custom content to different audiences using database tools like filters or tags. And if you're ready for advanced personalization, you can try using dynamic content to customize one email for different audiences. Or you can even track and collect data automatically with interest-based tags. If you're ready to personalize your bulk messages for better engagement, sales, and client retention, Everlytic's platform can help you get there. And when you're ready, we'll show you how to put maximized customer engagement on autopilot in the final level of our growth journey, Communication Automator.